Hi, my name is Elise Gornish. I'm a Cooperative Extension Specialist in Ecological Restoration, and my program mostly focuses on vegetation management in arid systems. I do my work in both natural and working landscapes across the state and can be involved in lab and greenhouse work as well. I have a super diverse group of stakeholders with whom I work, including ranchers, farmers, conservation groups, mines, restoration practitioners, native plant nurseries, the government, and lots of special interest groups. Generally, my stakeholders are interested in achieving lots of different management goals in arid systems, so I create research and outreach programs that help stakeholders achieve a variety of often interacting management goals, such as enhancing pollinator habitat, enhancing wildlife habitat, enhancing native plant growth on degraded landscapes, enhancing livestock forage, and of course, a personal favorite, killing weeds. I'm really interested in exploring techniques to enhance achievement of vegetation management goals on arid landscapes that are super easy and inexpensive to deploy. I try to make my outreach as diverse as my stakeholder base. I do social media, blog posts, cooperative extension bulletins, workshops, handouts, and I make videos too. I'm also working on an Arizona restoration portal online, which I'm very excited about. More soon. In addition to my program, I am the on-campus mentor for the Ecological Restoration Club, which recently installed a pollinator garden on campus. I am the director of GALS, a free year-long program that brings science programming to underserved high school girls. I love collaborating. Here I am collaborating with my 3-year-old in the field. It was kind of fun. Please get in touch with me if you have any questions or would like to work together. Thanks.